All right, everybody. Dr. Blumenthal back with you here in the Bethesda office at Natural Transplants, and I'm so excited. We have Taffy joining us. Taffy, welcome back. Good to see you again.
Hi, thank you for having me here.
Yeah. We saw last time, so we saw each other about a year ago, and you did your transplant a little over a year ago. You look very different now than you did before, and we'll show the before pictures in a few. But first of all, thank you for doing this. And second of all, let us know how the year went. How was your experience?
Well, actually, I would like to say I had a great experience actually.
Good.
But I mean, initially I was very much nervous because I mean I had done my own research, and that's something that kind of like motivated me to have my hair transplant with you guys.
Yeah.
But I wasn't really sure because sometimes you actually watch something online and then you think it's just for advertising and stuff like that. So I think with me, I kind of like took a leap of faith because I also really needed it, and I also looked at the reviews. Everybody really said positive things, and also they also mentioned what they didn't like. So to actually have people actually talk about both sides, I think that's something that I really appreciated. So
that's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, we try to be as open and transparent as possible. So that's why we do these things, and it looks great. How did other people notice the difference, the before and afters?
Yeah, actually, they really did. They really did. I mean, it was the result was very tremendous. It was really beautiful because I mean. They used to joke around and say I have this smooth and shiny, and so now nobody.
There's no more smooth and shiny anymore. No more smooth and shiny. It looks fantastic, and again, we'll put up the befores in a second here, but it looks nice and natural on you. I think it's a great line on you. I love it. So what I'm going to have you in any problems in the back at all? Do you have any problems with the scar from the back?
No, not at all. Okay. Actually, it was quick to heal. Like I don't even feel anything at the moment.
Good, awesome. So if you wouldn't mind, I'm gonna have you kind of lower your head just a touch and hold that for 2 or 3 seconds. So kind of look down for me just a little bit.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, perfect. And then we're gonna put up, like I said, the before pictures there, and then look at me, and then look either left or right.
Okay.
And then hold that for 2 or 3 seconds. And you do have your hair pulled back. You had braids in it before, but okay, awesome. And then the other way. Looks nice. Love it. And that was the worst side before that came in. Yeah. And again, the going straight back and slicking it back sometimes can look thinner. Wearing it out, especially without the braid, can look more full. Coming down look more full. So it depends. Straightening it will look thinner than keeping it in more of the natural state. So that can change. But overall, I mean, I think it looks fantastic. Any words of advice out? Somebody out there sort of debating whether to do it or not.
Yeah, actually, I would really do recommend that. Anyone that has a receding hairline can actually, have their hair done with natural hair transplants.
Yeah.
You won't really regret it. I mean, I also didn't know that this was going to be the outcome, and here I am. I'm happy. I wasn't able to wear some hairstyles, but now I'm happy because I'm able to do so, and it just boosts your confidence actually. So
absolutely.
I'm very happy. So yes, if you want to do your hair transplant, just go ahead.
Yeah, and as we talked about, and as you know, I've had them done before, and I'm a week out from another one I just did, so I'm looking a little crazy myself right now. But it looks fantastic. I'm so happy for you, Taffy. Again, thank you for doing this. Hopefully, this inspires somebody out there. And hopefully we'll continue to follow you. Send us postcards from really cool vacation spots with your hair out and blowing in the wind. Okay?
Yes.
All right, take care. Thanks a lot.
Okay, thank you. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.